Today, this Lockheed Constellation is getting the attention it deserves, a full restoration at Dynamic Aviation in Bridgewater, Virginia. But it wasn't always this way. Before Dynamic started the project, the airplane was considered the lost Air Force One, abandoned in the desert and left for scrap. The airplane is a significant piece of history because it is the first airplane to be called Air Force One. The designation started after an incident in 1954 when this airplane, flying as Air Force 8610, was mixed up with Eastern Airlines Flight 8610 with President Dwight D. Eisenhower on board.
So anyway, they wound up saying that whenever the president was on the airplane, it would become Air Force One.
This airplane, called Columbine II, was one of 3 constellations used by President Eisenhower for executive transport. It is named after the state flower of Colorado in honor of Eisenhower's wife, Mamie. During its time in service, the airplane carried several notable passengers, including Queen Elizabeth and Richard Nixon. The airplane retired in 1968, where its history was mostly forgotten before Dynamic acquired the airplane.
This is a legacy airplane. This is an American legacy airplane. This airplane ought to be restored. It ought to be made available to the public, to the American public, and that's what we want to do. And so it's exciting to be a part of it.
Restoring an aircraft like this brings many challenges.
The airplane has not had what you call depot level maintenance, which is serious military maintenance, for 49 years. That means something. Okay, so if you approach the airplane, that everything is old and abused. So we're taking the long-term view on it. We're doing everything that we get into, that we do, we're doing it right, we're doing it well.
The long-term goal for the airplane is to restore it to serve as a flying history lesson. Josh Cochran, AOPA Live.